Today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes with me to a mini session, really quick, under 10-minute mini session, so you can see my posing flow for mini sessions and how I'm able to get so many photos in a really short amount of time. I think you guys are going to really enjoy this and find it really helpful. And I also want to point out one of the free resources that I have for you down in the description below, and that is my free posing guide for family photographers. So if you're someone who is wanting to get into doing mini sessions, or maybe you've already started doing mini sessions but you struggle to come up with enough poses that you can do really quickly to get a huge variety of really natural looking candid photos in a short amount of time, you are really going to want to download that free posing guide in the description below, and that is really going to help you at your next set of mini sessions. So let's go ahead and go onto location, and I can't wait to have you guys follow along with me.
We posed for you.
Oh, wow, I wasn't ready. Actually, yeah, that's good. Give me 1 second. Kind of hard to hold. Sorry. Okay. Why are my eyes having a hard time? Oh my gosh. Hi. Hi, baby Evan. Hello. Hello, baby Evan. Hi. Hello. Hi. You're so cute. Hello. Oops. Give me 1 second. I'm like having a hard time looking. I know. It's bad. Hi. Baby Evan. Baby Evan. Hello. Hi. 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 I know it's bright out here. Okay, let's have you guys back up. That's your good side, right, Nicole? Okay, let's have Brandon hold him in kind of a seated position.
Well, I don't have a phone in my pocket.
People have their exercise hands going and they get mad at me after they said it's going to go what? Oh, perfect. Oh, beautiful, you guys. Hi, Evan. Hi, Evan. Hi, Evan. Hi, Evan. Hi. Bird and Nicole looking at each other. Beautiful, nose to nose. Beautiful, forehead to forehead. Beautiful. And then Brandon keeps looking at her, and Nicole look at me. Oh, perfect. Oh, the sun came out.
I can't look.
Oh, no. Yeah, it's because the sun came out. Okay, let's head into this grassy area over here. Sorry. Okay, just go ahead. Actually, both of you looking at baby Everett. Yeah. And then can you hold him in between you? Hold him up like closer to your shoulder. Yeah, and then can you both kiss him on the head? Everett, hi. Hello. Hi, baby Everett. Hi. Okay, and then Nicole, you have to hold on. This chest to chest. Brandon, come around behind Nicole.
No, just watch this.
Oh yeah. And then can you hold baby Ever now and Nicole wrap up behind Brandon? So Brandon, you'll face your belly button this way. Perfect. Oh yeah, that's it. Yes. Yeah. And then oh yeah, Brandon can look back towards Nicole so that you don't have to see her. And then Nicole just look right at me, resting your head on her shoulder. Yeah. And then Brandon look right at me. Yeah. Hi, baby Ever. And then maybe Brandon, you can look right at me. And then bring him down for nose boost. Beautiful. Yes. Perfect. Okay, and then try one more time to hold him just right between you guys. And then you can lift it in the middle like nuzzles on him. Hi, baby Ever. Hello. Hello, baby Ever. Hi. Hi. Hello. Perfect. What else do you guys want? That's good. Okay.
This one on your phone.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I hope you enjoyed watching me photograph this little mini session behind the scenes, and don't forget to download that free family posing guide that I have for you in the description below, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.